Embarking on a spiritual journey can be both exciting and daunting. As beginners, we often find ourselves seeking guidance and inspiration to help us navigate this uncharted territory. Luckily, the Bible offers a wealth of wisdom and encouragement that can empower us on our path to spiritual growth. By embracing the power of Bible scriptures, we can unlock our full potential and experience a profound transformation in our lives. Ignite your spiritual journey. Embrace the power of Bible scriptures. The Bible is more than just a religious text. It is a source of divine inspiration and guidance. By immersing ourselves in its verses, we can ignite our spiritual journey and set our souls on fire. The scriptures act as a beacon of light, illuminating the path ahead and providing us with the strength and wisdom we need to overcome any obstacles we may encounter. Through Bible scriptures, we can find solace in times of distress, hope in times of despair, and comfort in times of uncertainty. They remind us of the eternal love and grace that flows through our lives, allowing us to tap into a higher power that can guide us towards our true purpose. By embracing the power of Bible scriptures, we can align ourselves with the divine and experience a profound transformation in our spiritual growth. Unleash your inner potential, empowering beginners with divine word. As beginners on our spiritual path, we often underestimate our own potential. We may feel unworthy or doubt our abilities to connect with the divine. However, the Bible scriptures remind us that we are all children of God and possess a unique and beautiful spark within us. By immersing ourselves in the divine word, we can unleash our inner potential and discover the greatness that lies within. The scriptures empower us by teaching us about our inherent worth and the boundless possibilities that await us. They inspire us to embrace our true selves and step into our purpose with confidence and courage. By allowing the scriptures to guide us, we can break free from self-imposed limitations and tap into the limitless power of the divine. Let us not underestimate the immense potential that lies within us and unlock it through the empowering words of the Bible. Discover the path to spiritual growth, harnessing the scriptures' wisdom. On our journey towards spiritual growth, the Bible scriptures serve as a compass, guiding us towards a deeper connection with the divine. They offer invaluable wisdom that can help us navigate the challenges and uncertainties of life. By harnessing the scriptures' wisdom, we can discover the path to true spiritual growth. Through its teachings, the Bible imparts lessons on love, compassion, forgiveness, and gratitude. It encourages us to live a life of integrity, to treat others with kindness, and to seek inner peace. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can cultivate a deeper sense of spirituality and experience a profound transformation in our relationships, our mindset, and our overall well-being. Unlocking spiritual growth, empowering beginners with Bible scriptures. As beginners on our spiritual journey, it is crucial to embrace the power of Bible scriptures. They have the ability to ignite our souls, unleash our potential, and guide us towards true spiritual growth. By immersing ourselves in the divine word and allowing its wisdom to permeate our lives, we can experience a profound transformation and awaken our true selves. So, let us embark on this beautiful journey and let the scriptures be our companion, empowering us every step of the way.